Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this snipping tool error that is can't save to screenshot folder, you don't have permission to save to this folder. To fix it, you can type in snipping tool in Windows search box, make a right click on snipping tool and then go to app settings. Now on this page, first of all, click on terminate and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset, you can open snipping tool and then you can try to take screenshot. And you should not receive that error anymore. And here you can see no error and you should be able to save it. But still it's not resolved. In that case, on this page, you will see uninstall option. Click on uninstall snipping tool. Once the uninstall is done, you can go to Microsoft Store. You can install snipping tool once again and then you can check. So that should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.